This video is about activating the environmental activists. In Victoria there's lots of people who I have no doubt are committed to protecting the environment, and they work in fundraising and basically getting reports from different research and converting it into ordinary people speak, and then trying to get the people to change their ways and try and live more sustainably or whatever. Now, the rest of it is so activating the environmental activist, and how can we get appropriate technology or R&D into the mainstream. So they get research from other people and interpret it and send it on to the general public. But there's a problem with this, because some research isn't being done, and I'm just going to another page here now. Scientists submit proposals to funding committees, and the funding committees decide what proposals get accepted and rejected. All proposals in appropriate technology get rejected, because funding committees, they're very rich people. They won't ever have a clue what poorer people need. So it's just not going to happen that these funding committees are going to supply money to appropriate technology research. Even if they did want to, their people up in government are not going to be too willing to help people in other countries become more self-sufficient due to free trade and all that sort of stuff. So the appropriate technology under present conditions is not going to be researched. So I would ask the environmentalists to, just ordinary in your home, there's quite a few things you can do. I have done a thing called the pulsar pump that I started off. It worked for 20 years, and I've done several things on solar cooking. Now, solar cooking hasn't been researched in, it's got very little money for many, many years, and it's basically at the same stage as it was, say, 5, 6, 7 years ago. And obviously the people in Haiti could do with better use of the sun in their solar cookers. And I have a couple of things which, if they get validated, and science is about validation, could be very useful there. Now, let's see, we'll go science. So I've done my science, but used a scientific method. I've got results, but it hasn't been validated by other people because of that thing with the scientific research. This is not a circular process. These guys in the funding committees, which are basically political nominees, do not have any interest whatsoever in funding appropriate technology, and then probably never will. So it's up to the smaller guys to figure out a way to do it. And if you ask any environmental agency, do they do research, R&D, I would be very, very hard pressed to find anyone that actually does it. They disseminate information, they do not produce original research. So I think I'm going to leave it there and just try and get the environmentalists to start to get more involved in the basic mucky stuff. Some of the stuff I've done is very, I use cob to try and replicate something that would be usable in poor countries. So some of the stuff, the appropriate technology research, can be done by basically anyone at all. And so I would suggest to people, give a little of their time and fill in some of the gaps, because there's lots of gaps to be filled in, and we might never be able to change this little roadblock here, well, gigantic roadblock with the funding committees, but we can get it done if we just put our minds to it. Anyway, thank you, and just think on this, please. Bye.